Hi guys, welcome to this new section and to this new lecture. You are going to learn how to adjust or arrange your graphics in Illustrator so you can import them in the right ways into After Effects. It is very important that you do that. If you're doing motion graphics, there is no way you're gonna escape Illustrator and maybe Photoshop also. But we'll focus on Illustrator for now. Now, I will be using Illustrator like if I didn't know Illustrator at all. Just know how to move the mouse and how to use my selection tool, and also how to open the layer panel. So first of all, please open this graphic. You can download it from the resources for this lecture only. So let's say you open your file. You come to File and say Open, and you want to open the cute fruits here. Cool. Let's say you open it, you clicked. This is a free graphic from freepik.com. You can see it over there. You can also go to freepik.com and download lots of graphics. They are for free. I have a subscription. I download everything I want, so I'm able to give it to you, and for education it's okay. You can go there and download it by yourself. Now from this graphic I want to use the banana, and I'm gonna take this banana and animate it into After Effects. Cool. So the first thing you need to see is your layer panel. To see your layer panel, come to Window and find Layers here. If you click on it, it will disappear. If you press F7, it will reappear. You want to see your artboard maybe? Let's go back to Layer. So I will select the banana. I will press Ctrl C to copy it because I want to put it in a new file. Let's create a new file. That's very easy here. Say File, New. I'm using the latest version of Illustrator. This is the Illustrator 2017. You might be using an older version. It really doesn't matter as long as you can open a new file, by the way. Let's put the details here. The file name here, I'm gonna call it banana. As simple as this. Okay, and make it 1280 by 720 and make the orientation landscape. That's all you need to know. Now 1280 and 720, this is what we work on in After Effects, and it's good that you have the same dimension. You can give it any dimension, but 1280 by 720 will do the job. There is nothing else to do here. Just click on Create, and here you are. You have a new file in Illustrator. Remember that I came here, I pressed Ctrl C to copy it. I'll go to my banana file and press Ctrl V to paste it. Of course, you can scale it up if you would like to. It really doesn't matter because we are going to do a lot of scalings in After Effects. Cool. First thing we want to do is to notice what we have here. We have a single layer and we have groups. If you take this graphics to After Effects, it's gonna be complicated. Let me show you how. I will press Ctrl S to save the file. I will choose banana, that's okay. And I have saved the file now in Illustrator. Let's go back to After Effects, here we are, and import that banana file. I will come to the project panel, right click and say import and say file. Cool. It will open the folder wherever banana is. For me, it's over here, banana. Let's go to import as footage or composition retain layer sizes. That's what we want. We want a composition with the layer sizes. But remember, in Illustrator, we had a single layer, one single layer. But let's see what will happen. And I will say import. Now, what happened exactly? It's created the folder where I have all the layers. Now, unfortunately, there is only one single layer because in Illustrator, if you remember, we had only one layer and we have groups. Cool. Let's go back to After Effects and we have the banana composition that we can open. Let's double click on it. And notice that the background is black because we didn't set any background in Illustrator, which is very good, by the way. Let's change the background and look what we have. We go to composition and we say background color. Let's take it somehow a bit whitish gray. We can see. And I have my banana guy. Now, if you look at banana here, is only a single layer, and all I can do is, play with the whole layer only, and is as big as the composition. Good. So the one way to do it is to right click and say create shapes from vector layer. And that is very important to learn. After Effects will take all the vectors and then will create shapes from them. And here you are. Let's look inside our banana outline. This is the converted layer or the created layer from the banana Illustrator. If you scroll it down, you have contents, and inside contents, as you can see, you have so many groups. Now, not only you have a group, inside the group you have a path, and if I put off the eye on the group, I can see which one is it. You notice it's just over here, and you have group 1, which is also another path, something like this, and you have merge path. So actually it's extremely complicated to come with this simplistic thing and just import an AI file without working on it in AI and making it better. So this is the wrong way. Don't do that, please. First of all, we need to go back to Illustrator and work on our file and make it portable to After Effects using layers and groups. I'll see you in the next lecture.